Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking Clean and Everything Between. In today's video, we are going to welcome the new year with a delicious and creamy ham and potato soup. You can make this recipe anytime, but I love to make it right after the holidays so I can use some of my leftover ham. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do, so let's jump right into the ingredients. 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 yellow onion, 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of carrots, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 3 cups of leftover ham, 1/3 of a cup of flour, 4 cups of chicken broth, 4 medium-sized potatoes, salt and pepper, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and 2 cups of milk. We are going to start by chopping the vegetables and ham. This soup is very versatile. You can modify the vegetables to whatever you think it will fit. I have tried with broccoli, peas, kale, and it came out just as delicious. I have also tried to change the milk to have cream, and that came out perfect. I hope every single one of you had a fantastic holiday season, but 2022 is here. It's not going anywhere. So tell me on the comments down below, what is one thing you wish for this new year, or what is one goal you set for yourself? I'll go first. This year, I started with a very positive mindset, and my #1 goal is to put my fear aside and go to visit my family in my home country. Now it's your turn. 1, 2, 3, go. Now let's get cooking. Into a pan at medium heat, add the butter and let it melt. Add the onion and cook until translucent. Add the celery, the carrots, and cook for about 2 minutes. Add the garlic and mix everything well. Now it's time to add the ham. The flour. Mixing until the flour is well incorporated. Now add some of the chicken broth. And mix, making sure you don't see any of the flour. Add the potatoes. And cover with the rest of the broth. At this point, if you think the soup is a little too thick, just add some water to it. Add the salt and pepper. And because we love heat, I will add about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Now mix everything and cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you will notice that the liquid evaporates quite a bit, so go ahead, add the cheese and let it melt for about a minute or so. At this point, turn off the heat, add your milk, and mix. Now finish with some dry parsley, mix everything well together and let this soup rest for about 10 minutes before serving. And our leftover ham and potato soup is done. If you're still watching, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe so you can join the cooking, clean, and everything between family, and hit the bell to be the first one to get notified of new videos. And it's time to eat. Just add some of this fantastic soup into your favorite bowl, top with some cheese, sour cream goes very well with it too, and some bread. And that is all for this recipe today, everyone. As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. Thank you so very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Ciao!